Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Bhutte Ka Kees, it's also known as grated corn snacks recipe. It's a street food in Madhya Pradesh. Very easy to make and delicious to taste. This recipe can be prepared in less than 30 minutes. So cook this healthy and delicious snacks with evening tea. Corn key is a filling snacks. So let's get started. First we'll prepare the Jeeravan masala. Jeeravan masala is a special kind of spice blend. The ingredients required for it are: take 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, half inch of cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 7 to 8 cloves, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and take nutmeg half number grated, ginger powder 1/4 teaspoon, dry mango powder 2 teaspoons, black salt 1 teaspoon, spicy red chili powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, hing a pinch. Now we'll set a pan on medium heat and add cumin seed, coriander, cinnamon stick, fennel seed, black peppercorn, cloves and bay leaves. We'll dry roast them on low flame until it is aromatic. Once it is toasted well, we'll transfer over to a bowl and cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, transfer the roasted spices in a grinding jar and add the remaining spices and grind it well to a fine powder. Jeeravan powder is ready. You can store it in an airtight container and use it accordingly. It enhances the taste. You can use it for salads. Now we'll start with Bhutte Ka Kees. For that we need 3 corns, mustard half teaspoon, cumin seeds half teaspoon, a pinch of hing, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half inch ginger chopped finely, chili 2 to 3 numbers chopped, handful of coriander leaves, lemon half size, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon sugar and salt as per the taste. Now peel the outer layer of the corn and wash it well. You can use a grater having bigger hole and grate the corn. It might look little messy work. In that case you can use a mixer grinder. While grinding in the mixer, keep it coarse and chunky. Do not make a paste or a puree. Now we'll heat a pan and add oil, or you can also use ghee. Once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, ginger, green chili, saute them well and add hing, turmeric powder, stir them, and now we'll add the grated corn along with salt. Stir it and we'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is cooked, we'll add 1 cup of milk, and now we'll turn on the flame to low and cook it for around 15 to 18 minutes or until the mixture gets thickened. Make sure you stir it well. Once the mixture gets thickened, we'll add sugar, freshly chopped coriander leaves, lemon juice. Mix them all. In this stage you can also add ghee. Bhutte Ka Kees is ready. You can serve it hot by garnishing some few coriander leaves and sprinkle some Jeeravan masala. You can also store it in refrigerator for 1 or 2 days. Friends, try this yummy and tasty snacks dish and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.